Okay, I'm just sharing my screen. You can wait for 1 minute, maybe 4 members need to join still. Hmm. Yeah, team like this Zoom meeting URL, you may bookmark somewhere. Okay. Yeah, Kirti, so please, yeah, team, whatever the name you have given to me, so please join Zoom meeting with that name only. Kirti, you can change Zoom meeting name.
Yeah, change by now. Yes.
Yeah. Hope everybody rejoined. Hmm. Yes, we have discussed about the form header. Now you can come. This we are calling as field. This we are calling as field. Everything will be calling as field. For example, here number is one field, color is one field, category is one field. Okay, everything we are calling as field. So again, within the field, label, for example, you can say label text box, label text box, label text box, label text box. Okay. And this icon should be wherever you find this icon beside the fields. This is a preview icon. This is a preview icon. Okay, this is a preview icon. This is a hierarchy icon. This is a hierarchy icon. Here we have another icon come here. So this is a suggestion icon. This is a suggestion icon. Okay. This is a suggestions icon. So wherever you found something like this glass, magnified glass symbol, this is a reference field. Field type is reference. Wherever you find this magnified glass, the reference, the field type should be a reference. Okay. Next. If we are coming to down, so these are the form sections. This we are calling as form sections. Okay, this we are calling as form sections. So you can say notes is one form section, related records is one form section, resolution information is one form section. These are the different form sections. Okay, this is work notes. If you click here, it will open the additional comments. Additional comments will always visible to the customer. Okay, work notes will not visible to the customer. Watch list. For example, this instance was created by David Miller. Maybe David Miller want to add an entire their team here. Okay, so if something is happening here, so they are able to see this information, whatever the changes are happening to this particular record. Okay, so here you can say related search results. Here we have related search results based upon the keywords we entered in the short description. Based upon the keywords we entered in the short description, like some based upon the keywords entered there, so some results will appear here. You can, for example, I'm checking with knowledge article. Yes, we have a knowledge article containing the access keyword. You can see it is highlighting also. You can see it is highlighting. So, for example, I'm opening incidents, open instance, for example. Yes, we don't have any open instance. I'm just opening resolved problem. There is no problem records. Okay, like this. So if the any of the keyword matches, so related records will appear here. Okay, if we scroll down, if you scroll down, so this is a form bottom buttons. These are the form bottom buttons. We are calling it as form bottom buttons. Form bottom buttons. We are calling it as form bottom buttons. Related links. Related links. Okay, related links. Here we have repair SLA. We have only one related link, that is repair SLA. If we scroll down, so these are the related list. These are the related list. This area we are calling as related list. Okay. This area we are calling as related list. And again, I'm scrolling top. So you can right click on any field. Okay. This is field options. Okay. Field, field choices are field options. These are, okay. It will open the field menu. If you right click here, it will open the form context menu. Even when you click on the hamburger menu also, it will open the form context menu. So here you can see here we have different symbols. So okay, here we have something like back symbol. So if we click on this back symbol, it will redirect to the previous page. If we click on this back symbol, it will redirect to the previous page. Here you can see here we have top and down icons. Here we have two icons, top and down. So based upon clicking on top icon, bottom icon, like up arrow, down arrow. So it will read it will open the next records, previous records, next records like that. Okay. For example, we are in instance number 9009. So I'm trying to go for next record. Yes, I'm going to the next record. You can see next record is open. I want to go for previous record. Yes, if you click here, it will go to the previous record. Okay. So any queries in this form level, let me know. Any queries in form level?
So Anji, you said before, if incident is opened by two users, we can see their symbols in the circle, right?
Yes.
But is it possible to view same incident by two users? Because if we raise an incident or ticket, the
Yeah,
ticket
Navya,
will be
you can
assigned
repeat.
to one person.
Wait. You can repeat your question, Navya.
So before you said two users can view the same incident and we will see their users in the same circle, right? Here, user profile near.
Yes.
So I'm asking, is it possible two users can view the same incident?
Yes, of
Because
course.
if we raise a ticket, the ticket will be assigned to one person, right?
Yes.
So if we assign the ticket to one person, he will be able to view the ticket, but not all the users, right?
It's completely depends upon their access. If for example, if you have access to view all the incident records, yes, definitely we can able to see multiple users by the same incident record. We can able to see the multiple users if they have access. Okay, got it?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, Navya, I haven't received your details.
Yeah, I will share.
Yeah. Yeah. Next I'm going to the list. Next I'm going to the list. So you can see this is the list. This is the list. We are calling this structure or this area we are calling as a list. So I may select list here. One. So just going this zoom menu top. Hmm. So you can see again, this is a list header. This is a list header. This entire we are calling as list header. Okay. This entire we are calling as list header. So this is a hamburger menu again. These three lights icon we are calling as hamburger menu again. Okay, this is a filter icon. If you want to filter data within the list view, so this is a filter icon. This is kind of message icon. I never use this. Okay, this is kind of you can see show hide natural language filters. Okay, show and hide natural language filters. Okay. Hmm. And next, this is a filter. This is also kind of a filter icon. For example, whatever the columns here appearing, for example, number, open, short description, color, priority, whatever the columns here appearing. So if you want to filter something within those columns, you can see here you can able to. For example, I'm just want to filter like this. You can enter, you can see. I just entered here. Okay, it is searching for this particular number. Even instead of entering, if you are instead of entering that number, so you can also enter here. Okay, anything is fine. Even we can also add filter here. For example, I'm going to the filter. Wait. Here, for example, if I want to search color with front loading, for example, Safari, Red Bluetooth. Okay. So you just click on run. It will open the filter. Okay. So again, you can see within the filters, we have something like save option. So if you go to the filters, if you, for example, if you are using particular data on regular basis, okay, you don't require to go to the list view and filter again and again. So once you filter, you feel that for tomorrow or in going forward also I want to open data with the same filter criteria. Okay, if you feel like that, so you can save the filter criteria. You can save the filter. Then it will be appear here under filters. It will appear here. Okay, we have different views based upon the view. Fields in a form or list will appear. For example, I'm going to the mobile view. You can say the only few fields are appearing. If I go to the some other view, portal view, it is appearing different fields. Okay, I'm just going into the default view. Okay. So this is hamburger menu. This is hamburger menu. This is filters. This is filters. This is search. Okay. This is search. Again, this is also search. Again, this is also search. Okay. Again, this is also search. This is activity stream again. This is activity stream again. It will open activity stream. Okay. This is a personalized list. Personalized list. Okay, we can add columns to the list view. We can add the columns to the list view. Okay. For example, number, open, short, string, color, category. Maybe so I want to arrange these columns in different way. A number opened I don't want here. So I'm bringing this side at the end. Short, string, color, category. I want category here after number. Maybe I want color after number. Yeah, maybe I don't want to open. Yeah, this should be fine. Maybe I want to add one more field. Like created, and planning to add something like created. Yeah, like this. If you want to customize fields within the list view, you can see I just customize the fields number, color, category, short description. I have updated these spaces and I have added one more column to the list view. Okay. What are the columns you want to display within the list view? By using personalized list, you can able to do it. Okay. This is list choice action. This we are calling as list choice action. Okay. You can select the record. For example, I'm selecting one or two records. So I'm just coming here. You can see all options are active. Depends upon the records we selected, options or menu will be active here. Okay. So this is new button. If you want to open new record related to this particular table. Okay. For example, I'm just clicking on new button. You can see it is open the new record. Just redirecting to the previous page again. So any queries from list header, this we are calling as breadcrumb bar. Any filter criteria we are added. For example, again I'm adding some filter criteria. You can say any filter criteria we are added. So it will appear here. Okay. This we are calling as breadcrumb bar. This we are calling as breadcrumb bar. Got it, everyone? This we are calling as breadcrumb bar. All calendar February priority one. This we are calling as breadcrumb bar. Got it, everyone?
Uh,
Okay.
Actually,
Yeah, tell me.
yeah, how do you get this bar? Can you please repeat it again?
No, Sai Lakshmi. You can repeat your question again.
I mean, you said it's a breadcrumb bar, right?
Breadcrumb bar. Yeah,
Yeah, breadcrumb.
how do we get this is based upon the filtering data here within the list. For example, I'm just filtering with priority one. So priority
Okay.
one critical. You can see breadcrumb bar added. I'm filtering with something like network group, show matching. You can see. So I'm filtering with something like wait. Maybe in progress. You can see. Within the breadcrumb bar, this filter criteria is going to add.
Okay, so when we come to this, I mean tickets, and can right click, right?
Yes, yes. Not, it's not like that. It's not like that. So this is also kind of filter. If I right click on any field, it will show something show matching. That means state equal to what is this state? Yeah, state equal to close will open. If I click on filter out, this is also these two options are kind of filtering. Okay. So
Okay,
you can add filter criteria from anywhere, maybe from here, from this text boxes you can add filter, or maybe from this text box you can add filter, maybe from this filter icon you can add filters. Anywhere from anywhere you can able to add filter. Okay.
okay. In each and every incident, we can right click and we can use that as a filter, right?
Yes. So if we right click, you are able to see some options about this particular cell or this particular record. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. Next. Next. These all are the columns or fields. We can consider these all are the columns or fields: number, color, category, short description, priority, state, assignment group. These all are the columns we can consider. Okay. This is a class icon. So if we toggle this glass icon, this text box will appear. This text boxes disappear. Okay. This checkbox icon is used to select all the records. Okay. If you want to select only one or two records, you can select like this. Okay. And before within this before incident record, before this field, it is appearing some icon. This is preview icon. If you click on this preview icon, it will open the incident form. You can see. If you click on open record, this form will be opened. Got it, everyone? Yes. Even if you right click here, it will. If you right click on the form header, it will open the form header menu. You can see. I'm just right clicking on the fields. It is opening the list context menu. This we are calling as list context menu. Okay. This we are calling as list context menu. Configure. Like when I right click on any field, it is appearing the list context menu. Okay. And within the list view, if you are seeing something like when you hover, so if you see something like blue color with what I can say, blue color with this underline symbol. That means when you click on that, it is opening that record. For example, you can see if I'm just clicking on Fred Ludy record. While clicking this record, I'm just pressing the control button in my keyboard. That's what it is opening in new tab. Otherwise, it will open in the same tab. Okay, you can see it is open Fred Ludy user record. So for example, if I open service test, it is opening service test group details. Okay, if you see something like blue color in the list view, okay, when you hover, if you get underscore symbol, that is a reference. That is a clickable link. Related record will be open. Okay, got it,
Okay,
everyone? Hmm.
got it.
Next. So we have some system fields like created by, updated by, updates sysid. Okay, these are the, for example, within this list view, these three are the system generated fields. Okay, if you are something doing within the record, so these details will be updated every time. If we scroll down, if we scroll down, so here we have pagination. Here you can see, here we have page nation. We are in first page. We are in first page. When navigating here, so now we just navigated to the second page. We just navigated to the third page like that. Okay,
Oh,
got it, everyone? So these
Anji,
are mm, tell me.
I have one now. So here in updated by admin and system, there are two different names in there. What is meant by updated by admin, and so For my
No,
knowledge, I know
wait.
if the customer came again with the, I mean, while with adding some other information to the same related ticket, then it will be updated.
It's kind of admin is one user, system is one user. This is demo data, right? When we take in ServiceNow instance, this data appears. For example, within the real time, maybe Sai Lakshmi created one record, okay? And
Okay.
Gopi created one record. Like whatever the record Sai Lakshmi created, so Sai Lakshmi details will appear there, maybe yet created by, updated by. Whatever the record updated or created by Gopi, like Gopi details will appear there. Got it?
Okay, got it. So if the customer updated again, so
Yeah.
here in updated
Whoever,
place.
yeah, whoever updated recently, that the username will appear here. Okay.
So if one ticket created, and if we add any information tomorrow, if I created one ticket today, that will come to us. And again tomorrow, if I come and add some information to the same ticket, so that will reflect here like updated.
Um, yes. So,
Oh, got it.
for example, Sai Lakshmi created one incident record. So
Okay.
whenever she created one incident record, created by is Sai Lakshmi, updated by is Sai Lakshmi. Okay. Maybe
Okay.
after one day, Mahinder updated that particular instance. Still, created by is
How,
Sai Lakshmi, updated by is Mahinder. Got it?
how can that be possible? I mean, how can that Mahendra update that incident, because it was created by me. So I.
Maybe that incident record is assigned to Mahinder's team. Maybe that incident record is assigned to Mahinder. Okay, maybe Mahinder is from incident management team. He is able to see all the incidents. Okay, got
Okay,
it?
got it.
Maybe Mahinder is your manager. Maybe Mahinder is your colleague. Maybe we have different reasons. Okay.
Okay, got it.
So, and one more thing is this is so within the service now, wherever you navigate, within service now, wherever you navigate, okay, you are going to see this clock icon. If you open form, you open list, if you are in home page, wherever you are navigating, you are able to see some this clock icon. What this clock icon represents, like how much time it is taken to load this particular page. Okay, it will tell the page timings. You can see how much time it is taken to load this particular page. Okay, like this information will be helpful whenever we are facing performance issues. Whenever we are facing performance issues, this information will be helpful for us. Okay, this is a clock icon.
Okay.
And one more thing is, wait, I'm just closing all the tabs, favorites, instant history again, I'm opening. So here we have opened the personalized list, right, for adding, removing the fields to the list view. So this is this area, this we are calling a slush bucket. Slush bucket. We are calling it as slush bucket. This is the available slush bucket. This is the selected slush bucket. Available slush bucket, selected slush bucket. Got it? Available slash bucket, selected slash bucket. Next. Yeah, I hope I have covered. Yeah, and even within the list view also we have related links. You have seen something like a related link, right? In the form. In the form you have seen related link. Like this in the list also you are able to find related links like this. Okay. For this, we don't have related link within this list view, but in few lists, you are able to see a related link. Okay, got it? This is about list. So if you have any queries from list, you can ask me. I may wait for 1 minute.
Uh, Actually, it is not about this thing, but uh, in a generalized. So this is what we are doing now. The tickets or as incidents we are getting is for the developer, right?
So basically, in real time, so we have ServiceNow developer or we have ServiceNow support. Okay, whoever working in support project, mostly they will work on the incidents. Whoever working for as a development project, they are going to work on stories or requests. Okay, and even developers also will work on incidents. It depends upon the organization.
Okay. What about these administrative service now administrative?
Yeah, even ServiceNow administrator also going to work on incidents, going to work on the requests, going to work on the task, going to work on the stories. Okay. No,
It is
like
like a support.
uh, yes,
Yeah. I mean,
whatever it is. So, for example, if you are considering incident, okay, if you are a admin, maybe admin related works assigned to you within the incident. Any issues occurred related to administration, that instance will be assigned to you. So, for example, you are a developer. If any new enhancement, new requirements or enhancements came to us, so that request will be assigned to us. Okay.
okay, okay, got it, got it.
Yeah.
It is like
Yeah.
a support. It is like a support only, right?
Yes.
So I'm a non-IT person, so we used to support to Samsung applications. So
Yes.
like that only, it is the support only. We will
No.
have number of instances and we will work
Yeah,
on
so
those
if it is
instances.
a incident, yeah, again we will go to that concept maybe after 2 to 3 days. Okay. Yeah, incident is for if we have any issue. Okay, then
Yeah, yeah,
it will be assigned to somebody. They are going to resolve the incident. If it is a new requirements, we have separate module requests. Okay. If we want to order something, we have separate module. We'll discuss later all these things. Okay. And here you
okay.
can see I have prepared this document. Okay, I will share you this document through email, today's email. Okay, today's class notes, you will get this document. You may go on through this. You can say content frame, banner frame, application navigation bar. This is application navigation frame. So application navigation search, favorites, history, global search, applications, modules. Under application, we have different modules. Instance logo, instance name, user profile. This user profile related options I haven't explained you. Impatiate user means indirectly logging into other users account. For example, I just log in with system administrator. Here you can see we have impatiate user. If you click on impatiate user, I'm just selecting the Abil Tutor account. Okay. Now I'm indirectly logging to the Abil Tutor account without Abil Tutor's credentials.
Okay, so this impulsive, this login can access to only to team leads or managers like that only.
Yes,
So
exactly. So basically for impensation, we have one rule. If we have that rule, then only we are able to impensate to the other user. Okay.
okay, to check the other
Yeah,
others
yeah. To check
work.
something within their user account. Okay.
Okay,
You can say I have successfully impensated to the impensator, able to that. Again, so here we have end impensation. I'm just ending the impensation. Next. So you can say preferences. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about preferences. You can here we have user preferences. Right. You can see the screen should be like this. Maybe I will update that screenshot. Copy. Tomorrow I will explain you this user interface preferences. Okay. Right. Next, support chat. You can see support chat icon. This is support chat icon. Help icon. List form. This is form. Hamburger menu. Fields or columns. Form sections. Form header. Buttons. Attachment icon. Form context menu. Related links. Related list. Work notes. We have seen that work notes and additional comments. This is activity and the list header. List context menu. Personalized list. Filter icon, breadcrumb bar, list choice action. Wait. This is list choice action, application picker, update set picker, slash bucket. Okay. These are the few things we have to know while starting learning with ServiceNow. Okay. So I will share you this document with today's class notes. Okay, I will share you this document with today's class notes. You may go on through this, and if you have any queries, you can ask me tomorrow. Okay. Yes, any queries? Any queries, team? I'm just taking the attendance here. So 2 members drop the class. Don't know why. Yeah, team. So please don't drop the class in between. Okay. So I'm just stopping the recording as well.